Good afternoon, students. Okay, welcome back to mathematics class. All are taken your textbook, page number 76. Done on page number 76. Did you take your textbook? Okay. See, children, today we are going to learn about order property and addition. Okay, order property. Order property under addition. Page number I already told with you 76. Order property under addition. Addition. Okay. See children, example problem. This is box 1. Plus. See, this is box 1. This is box 2. In box above, one box is there, no? In that 5 bags are there. 5 bags. Hand bags are there. 5 bags. How many students? 5 bags are there. 5. Next, box 2. 4 bags are there. How many? 4 bags are there. See children, first box 5 bags and in the box there are 4 bags. So the total number of bags in both the boxes is equal to. So total how many bags are there? Both boxes means box 1 and box 2. So total how many are there? 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total how many bags are there? 9 bags. Total how many bags are there? 9 bags. Means 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Next, in box number 1 there are 4 books. And one more 2 boxes are there. In first box, 4 books are there, children. How many books are there? 4 books. On box 1, how many? 4. Next, box 2, there are 5 books are there. How many books? 5 books. See, 4 books are there. Next, 5 books are there. So total how many books are there in both boxes? Total how many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total how many books are there? 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. See, from these additions, what we will find? We find that, see here, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. See, from these two additions, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Next, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Yes or no, children? 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So what we can write from these two? 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 4. See, 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 4. Is it correct or not? Yes, 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 4. Did you understand, children? So first, two boxes have bags. 5 bags plus 4 bags. So total 9 bags are there. And second bit, first box 4 books, second box 5 books. So there are some total 9 books are there. How many books are there? 9 books. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Next, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Finally, we find out 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 4. Okay, let us see one more example. Now, 24 plus 32. 24 plus 32 and 32 plus 24. 32 plus 24. See, let us see. 24 plus 32. So first we add ones. So 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. Next, 10 sound. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. So 24 plus 32 is equal to 56. And 32 plus 24. First we add ones. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. Next, 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. So that is 24 plus 32 is equal to 24 plus 32 is equal to 32 plus 24. 32 plus 24. Finally, what we get? 56. What is the answer? 56. So, what do you notice from this problem? From this exercise? See, children, 24 plus 32 is equal to 32 plus 24. So, finally, what is the answer? 56. What is the answer? 56. See, what we learned? If we add two numbers, if we add two numbers in any order, the result is the same. The result is the same. See, students. See, if we add two numbers, what are two numbers? 24, 32. Look at the board properly. If we add two numbers, what are two numbers? 24, 32. In any order, the result is the same. See, from first one, 24 first we written. Let's read it as first. And here 32 first. Okay? That is 24 plus 32. First number is 24. Second number is 32. And next one. First number is 32. Next number is 24. So, this changed order is 24 plus 32. We add first one. Next, changed order. We change order 32 plus 24. But the finally answer is same. Finally answer is same. Okay? If we add two numbers in any order, the result is the same. The result is the same. Okay children? 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 and 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. See for example, show me your fingers. Show me your left hand. Show me your left hand. This one. Yes or no? Show me your right hand. This one. Yes? Lekshana came into class. So first, in left hand you will take one finger. Left hand take one finger and right hand you will take two fingers. So total how much? 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 3. What is the answer? 3. Now, you take left hand 2 fingers and right hand 1 finger. So 2 plus 1, 3. Yes? In before we take left hand 1 finger, this hand 2 fingers. But now, this hand 2 fingers, this hand 1 finger. But the answer is same. The answer is same. It's like that. Next you will take 5 fingers. Left hand. Now right hand take 4 fingers. What is the answer? 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Yes? Now close your fingers and take this hand 5 fingers. This hand 4 fingers. So what is the answer? 9. Yes or no? We change it, we add any order. If we add two numbers in any order, but the answer is same. But the answer is same. Okay, all understand? Did you understand? Okay, next. Next. See the actions on the number line. See the additions on the number line. On the number lines below. See the additions on the number lines below. First, 7 plus 5. Second one, 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. So first, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So first 7 plus 5. Okay, first we take 7 steps. 0 to 7 steps. Then we add 5 steps. How many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Okay. Next 5 plus 7. First we have to take 5 steps. How many steps? 5. So 0 to start. 5 steps. How many steps are there, children? 5 steps. Then we add 7 steps. How many? 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. What do you find? 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So if we add two numbers in any order, we add two numbers in any order, the answer is same. See, 7 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Okay, 7 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Okay, students, did you understand? Shall I rub this one? Do the additions. Do the additions given below. And write what you find out. What you find out. See children, the additions given below and write what you find out. What you find out? See first one. 9 plus 14 and 14 plus 9. 14 plus 9. See here, look at the board. 9 plus 14. 9 plus 14. Next, 14 plus 9. 14 plus 9. See, Anna, look at the board. See properly. 9 plus 4. First one's place. 9 plus 4. 9 keep in mind. Take 4 fingers. 9 after. 10, 11, 12, 13. 9 plus 4. 13. In 13, 1 10 and 3 ones. 1 10 and 3 ones. 110 carry. 110 carry and 3 writing under ones. Okay. Now 1 and 1 carry. So 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So 9 plus 14 is equal to 23. Next 14 plus 9. 14 plus 9. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9, 13. So 110 carry and 3 write under ones. So 4 plus 9, 13. Next 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So what do you find, children? 9 plus 14 is equal to 23. 14 plus 9 is equal to 23. We change the order, but the answer is same. So you write like this. Okay, don't forget the equal. how I written on the board, you also write like that only, okay? You must keep equal to. Okay, write in the textbook. Next, 25 plus 36 and 36 plus 25. 36 plus 25. 25 plus 36. 36 plus 25. Okay, see here. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. 11. 11. 1 10. 1 under ones. Next. 3 plus 2. 5. Carry. 3 plus 2. 5 and 1 carry. So 5 plus 1. 6. 5 plus 1. 6. Next. 6 plus 5. 11. 1 carry. 1 under 1. So 3 plus 1. 4. 5. 6. So what is the answer? 6. What do you find? 25 plus 36 equal to 61. Next, 36 plus 25 equal to 61. What do you find both? These two answers are same. Just we are changed order. So, you should write, you must write equal to. Okay? How I written on the board, you also write like that only. Write neatly. Completed, students? Next, third one. Write in your textbook neatly. This one completed. Shall I rub this one? Write in your textbook neatly and you must keep equal to. That is only important. Why? Because do the additions given below and write what do you find? What do you find? 23 is equal to 33. Yes? Third one. 36 plus 48 and 48 plus 36. Okay? Next. Six plus 8, 14. 1 carry, 4 under 1. 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7 and carry. 7 after 8. Next, 8 plus 6, 14. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 carry, 4, 1. Next, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So what do you find? 36 plus 48 is equal to 84. 48 plus 36 is equal to 84. So if we add two numbers in any order, the answer is same. Okay? Write neatly, write in a textbook. See, these remaining three problems homework. Okay? Complete, then send to me. Write up. Second problem, this is the third. Okay, students, complete your textbook neatly. Completed? Completed you all, huh? Ravi Prakash, sit properly. Okay, students. Bye. Okay, good evening. Thank you.